skin. First thing I do when doing my makeup, rub my moisturizer. Zaron moisturizer. Use my hands a lot for my makeup. Love this moisturizer. Zaron Cosmetics, thumbs up. Got this foundation. This is my live reaction to the Beauty by AD foundation. Alright. Oh, guys, see the blend. Try to avoid not putting any foundation under my under eyes so that my makeup will not cake. The excess that I have in my brow, ready to my neck. The Beauty by AD foundation in bad 11. The Nuban in my skin concealer. I put this in 46. I go back and get this in 47 because this is a bit lighter. I always love using my hands. Like, I use brushes sometimes, but with my foundation it looks absolutely perfect. Your hands are really the best when it comes to makeup. Make use of your hands always. My spirit won't die. This, I just love the way everything has blended. 3-in-1 blush palette. This one here. This is so subtle. Okay, I love this. A baby W. I go like this. I'm loving how everything is coming together. I like this blush. So people don't really know Vori. I love Vori a lot. It's spotless. To blend in for my hair. The Colourpop brighter shade for my under eyes. Clear any harsh lines. That is my base. What do you think? So excess here. Go with. I'm teaching you guys tricks. Put this powder from Beauty. Kind of like reduce and press and spread. Just put it with this. Just I got this pencil from AliExpress. Rose Rich Maroon. I love this. This is such a good combo. Palette. Let's mix it. I'm so happy that I had to do this with you guys. Stay here because we're going to having lots of makeup videos. Any questions you have, please link it in the comment section and I will answer. And for every product that have been used today, I would put the link and the product in the description box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.